Pablo Picasso once said, "The purpose of life is to find your gift, and the meaning of life is to give it away." Jesus once said, "What you choose to bring forth within you, what you do bring forth will save you. And what you do not choose to bring forth within you, what you do not bring forth will ultimately destroy you."